Most producers automate every knob just because they can, but that doesn't mean it serves the music. The LFO device in Ableton Live is not meant to be a set-and-forget tool. It is a real-time modulator that reacts and breathes with your track. You can map it to up to 8 parameters at once, choosing exactly which knobs will carry the motion. Whether you want a filter to pulse gently or a delay to rise and fall with your groove, LFO lets you pick the waveform, adjust the rate, and shape the modulation in a musical way. Triangle gives you smooth movement, while random and binary noise give you unpredictability. Jitter adds human feel, and smoothing keeps it from sounding robotic. You can sync the LFO to your tempo, automate the rate for dynamic changes, shift the phase for layered effects, and use the offset to nudge the modulation forward or back. The hold button freezes the movement when needed, while Retrigger restarts the cycle exactly when you want. LFO is not about making every knob wiggle. It is about choosing what matters and letting that movement serve the emotion of your sound. Want to master LFO and other tools inside Ableton Live? Comment Ableton and we will DM you the link.